What competitive edge your bank has against your competitors?
I think there are a number of competitive factors. First of all, is the long relationship and the strong linkages that we have with clients. We have many clients who have been banking with us for generations, literally generations, 80 years, 70 years, 90 years, 50 years. So, and over a period of time, a strong system of and culture of mutual trust has been well accepted and is part of our fabric. The second point is that we have a very large branch network of about 3,650 branches, and we have 7 RRBs, whom we manage, who combined have a branch network of 1,800. So we have something like 5,500 branches at our disposal. So we are not a regional bank. We are really a pan-India bank with a pan-India distribution. And we are in fact trying to encourage younger talent coming forward and taking on higher responsibilities in the bank. So going forward, I think there will be a lot of you will see a lot of thrust in areas like retail banking, in SMEs, in financial inclusion, where because of the and where we'll in these areas we'll deploy some of the young people whom we have recruited under the directions of the seniors, the experienced seniors. I think this will be a good combination in order to achieve our goals in these developmental financing, but also explore the scope for working with your company and your paper elsewhere.
How do you look at growth in the banking sector?
The Indian banking sector has been an pillar of strength, I think, to the Indian real sector, to the industry sector, the manufacturing sector, the services sector, the agriculture sector, and also to the government sector. It has come out relatively unscathed in the global economic crisis, partly because of the very imaginative and deft handling by the Reserve Bank of India, but also because of the inherently conservative nature of Indian bankers. So I think the whole has been well handled because of it gives now a platform for us to expand. So I think this year, unfortunately, there has been a strong inflation, both supply side inflation as well as general inflation. And the Reserve Bank of India therefore has had to increase the short-term policy rates, which have got reflected in higher lending rates in some cases by the banks. But hopefully I think it will be somewhat restricted. So if you talk in terms of numbers, this year RBI has placed deposit growth at about 18% and advances growth at 20%. Well, advances, although the credit offtake is still sluggish, 20% may perhaps be achieved. However, I think on the deposit side, I think the growth has been much less. It's only been about 13 to 14%, and I think it will be a challenge for Indian banks to achieve the original growth figure of 18% in deposits.